Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, beautifully done, 1966 Mustang Coupe. Got the owner here, he's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
All right, complete.
Pretty car, man.
Thank you.
How long have you owned this car?
20 years I've had it.
Wow. So tell us a little bit about it.
Well, about 12 years ago I decided to do a complete rotisserie restoration on it. A friend of mine did it.
Okay.
And soup to nuts, everything was taken apart.
Wow.
Have pictures of the work that was done.
Great.
And it was done right. He did a very nice job on it. It's straight. Kept it pretty much stock, other than the fact that I put a 5-speed into it.
So original motor.
Original motor, original rear. New gears in the rear.
What kind of gears?
I'm not really sure, to be totally honest with you.
It's a highway or a...
It's a highway car, yeah.
Okay,
it's
cool.
a cruising car. It's not made for speed. It's just for cruising.
Cool. What color? What is this color? It looks like a newer color.
It's a newer color. It's a 2006 Ford Mustang color.
Cool. A lot of metallic in it.
Yes.
Real
Very
pretty. Very pretty. It's got some nice stance too. Love it. 289 under the hood?
289 under the hood. Like I said, I kept everything pretty much stock.
Okay.
It wasn't goose, but the motor was refreshed, redone. The motor was redone approximately 15 years ago.
Okay.
And since the motor was redone, I've only put about 4,500 miles, maybe 5,000 miles on it.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
Let's check it out. Nice. Looks like you retrofitted air conditioning in here, which is nice.
Yes.
Got headers.
Front disc brake conversion.
Nice. Original inner fender wells, that's hard to say. Power brakes. The disc up front?
Power assist, yes.
Very nice. That's great. Interior is pretty stock too. You got the original back seat back there, right?
Yes, original back seat. Front seats are new. They also recline.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. It's like new door panels.
Yes.
Sills.
Carpet, headliner.
It's all new.
Everything was done new.
45,562 miles. Beautiful dash.
That's the original odometer.
Really?
I don't know if that is 100. But
Looks pretty good to me.
yeah.
Custom stereo. Got an Alpine deck with an amp, 6x9s in the back.
Power antenna.
Power antenna, nice. Seat belts all the way around. Brand new headliner. The deck's nice back there too. Looks like a kind of a carbon fiber kind of look. Pioneer 6x9s. There's an amp under there as well. Original back seat. Oh, cool.
I got the car 20 years ago from a California girl.
Wow. You fired up? Sounds nice. High-rise manifold. Is that a Holly 650? Yep. Ford Motorsport valve covers. Shorty headers. Very nice. Nicely done. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out our main website. It's webeautos.com to check availability. And give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks for showing us your car. Beautiful.
Thank you.